The 3D cell jigsaw contains 6 2mm perspex sheets. These are stacked together to create a 3D image. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll find dots like you'd find on the face of a die to allow you to put the stack back in order, as it can be a little bit tricky. The 3D image shows an illustration of what the inside of a cell might look like. If you don't have the 3D jigsaw, you can create your own. You'll find a printout showing the illustrations in vector form that can be used to create your own 3D jigsaw. Each of these plates will match up to one of these illustrations. To make your own, you'll need clear plastic, you'll need some form of permanent marker, and you'll need something to separate the layers. In a classic Blue Peter moment, here's one I made earlier. This uses 1mm thick acrylic sheets, permanent marker, and glue dots. Each of these is lined up, and I just sketched over each of the 6 layers using that Sharpie. If you don't want to use glue dots or Velcro to separate the sheets, I'd recommend that the sheets be at least 2mm thick to allow the layers to be separate enough to get that good 3D effect, to get the full shape of the contents of the cell. If you wanted to extend the activity, you could get multiple perspex sheets, you could use non-permanent markers, and you could have your students create their own versions of the jigsaws, which can later be cleaned.